So solve this question 1.32. The simply supported beam shown in the figure. Here a simply supported beam is given. So basically in this beam you have to check this beam is determinate or indeterminate, and also you have to check this beam is stable or unstable. So you check whether this beam is stable or not, or whether this beam is determinate or not. So you check this. This question is asked in your engineering service 2014. So you all solve this question. It's very easy question. So the simply supported beam shown in the figure. Here you have a hinge at this end. Here you have another, here you have a roller at this end, and here also you have a roller at this end. And here you have an inclined loading. So here you all see you have an inclined loading W, and this is at an angle of theta. So check this beam is determinate or not, or stable or not. What is the right answer? A, B, C, D. What is the right answer? What is the right answer? अरे कोई तो बोलोगे सर, ए होगा, बी होगा, सी होगा, डी होगा, क्या होगा? नहीं बन पा रहा है तो
Sir,
तुक्का
A
भी
sir.
लगा दो. Okay, someone is saying sir A.
B
Okay,
sir.
someone is saying sir B. So A, B, two options are coming. Someone is
B
saying
नहीं
sir.
sir, sir D sir, D sir.
Okay, okay. Someone is saying sir D. Okay, D. Someone is saying sir D. Someone is saying sir D. Okay. Is any other answer?
B sir.
Okay, someone is
B
getting
sir.
B. Okay, someone is getting B. B option. So here you all see, as per the question figure, here you have a question. So if you see the question, you have number of unknowns as 2. So here you have hinge, and also here you have roller, and also another in have also roller. So only you have two unknowns. Only you have two unknowns. This is RA, this is RA, and this is your RB. RB. So you have only two unknowns, but you all know for solving these two unknowns, you have three equilibrium equations. So if you have two unknowns and three equilibrium equations, then for this beam, you know the dsi of beam is generally 0, but the dsc of beam be calculated as number of reaction minus equilibrium equations. So here ds is equal to, here ds is equal to dsc plus dsi p plus dsi. So here the DSI of this beam is 0, but DFC of this beam be calculated as number of external reaction minus equilibrium equations. So you have two reactions, but equilibrium equation is 3. So we have ds of minus 1. So ds of minus 1. Here dsi is equal to 0. Here dsi is equal to 0. Here dse is equal to minus 1. So ds is equal to minus 1 for this structure. So basically, for solving the two unknowns, we have three equilibrium equations. So our unknowns will easily solve with these three equilibrium equations. So basically, these three equilibrium equations is enough to solve our these uh, two unknown reactions. So basically, if these two unknowns reactions will be solved easily, so this structure is determinate. So this is structure is determinate, not indeterminate. If ds is greater than 0, that means if ds is 1, 2, 3, 4, then we calculate, then we say our structure is indeterminate. So d is wrong answer, and also C is wrong answer, because in this is not a case of, or this is not your indeterminate beam. So it is determinate beam. So somehow the right answer is A and B. But we have also checked this structure or this beam is stable or unstable. So if you, I think if you carefully observe my last sessions, then I say minimum number of reactions available to make a structure stable is 3. So here 3 reactions is not available, only 2 reactions are available, that is your RA and RB. So basically here for this structure we have only 2 reactions, RA and RB. So this structure is unstable structure. Next point, these two reactions are also parallel to each other. So here also we say this structure is unstable structure. So the right answer for this question is option number B. So basically this structure is determinate and stable. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the right answer of your question. Next, any question left? To solve this question 1.37, you all solve this question 1.37. Let's solve this question. I think I also solved this question in your class. Let's solve this question 1.37. Degree of static indeterminacy of the structure shown in below. ds, you have to find ds of this beam. You have link, you have hinge, you have roller at both the ends of this beam, you have hinge. Solve this question 1.37. What is the right answer?
0, sir. A. Option A, 0.
Okay. So right answer is A. Yes, the right answer is A, because the ds of this structure is 0. So if you see here how ds comes out to be 0, so you just remove this support, also just constraint or make this end as cantilever. So you have to add one constraint here, but you have to remove number of reaction as here 2 reactions, here 1 reactions. So basically you have to remove 3 reactions. So 3 reactions is removed, but constant added is at this hinge you have to add one reaction, you have to add one reaction, and here you also have to add one reaction. So basically you remove 3 reactions to make this beam as cantilever beam. So 3 minus 3 we get 0. So here ds comes out to be 0 for this structure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.